Here's how to increase your Snap score really fast on your Snapchat account. So as you can see in my profile, I have a current Snap score of 0. Now watch how quickly my Snap score can go up by the end of this video. So first, what you want to do is head on over to your chats. And then now from here, you want to click on add friends. And then in Quick Add, you pretty much want to add every single person that you can, just like that. And basically just add literally anyone. It doesn't really matter. All right, so now you have this icon that says slow down, meaning you reached your limit of friend requests for now. What you want to do now is head on over to your camera. And then from here, you want to click on the plus icon right over here. Now you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then now you want to click on multi-snap. And then now basically all you have to do is make 8 snaps in a row, because that is the maximum amount of snaps that you can do, just like that. As you can see, click on OK, and then click on next. And then now basically you want to send that to everyone that you have added, just like that. And so once you sent it, as you can see, we sent it to literally every single person. Now you want to click on the send button right over here. And then as you can see, we have basically sent all these people 8 snaps, which is a lot of snaps.